um, I keep saying that leaders हम बन जाते हैं लेकिन हम कभी पूरे leader बनते नहीं हैं. It is a journey. You grow into becoming a leader, you grow into becoming a better leader, and then the finest leader. So nobody's born a leader, and we usually it's the adversities that actually teach you, or they give you the path to go to become a very fine leader. All right, so my journey started because I was a cost accountant, so obviously finance kiya tha. So I started with HSBC, and I worked there in the finance department for about 7 years, and then 2 years I was with credit operations. So it was pure banking, and that was I thought that was my forte, and I was doing very well until I got an offer from Citibank, and then from Citibank I again worked in risk management, again worked in credit operations, and um, just when I thought I was doing a great job, my boss told me that आपको HR में transfer करते हैं, and I was like shocked. What did I do wrong? So that was my entry into HR, saying कि मैंने क्या किया है. So it was like HR में जाना was like, oh, आपको backwaters पे भेज दिया. Okay. And he said that, look, why I want you to go into HR is because I want you to change the concept and the thinking that it's not backwaters. So I said, okay, fine, and there was a deal. I said, I will do 1.5 years, and then you will transfer me back. And he says, nahi, chalo 2 saal. I said, nahi, 1.5 years, and then we settled for 1.75 years. And he says, okay, at that time you can get transferred back. So I said, okay. So I religiously, did everything, dedication, सब कुछ processes नए बनाए, I did everything, and then I realized after spending a year and a half that how much I did and how much I enjoyed doing that. So it was the business of people that was actually then my calling. And I really didn't know what was my calling up until that time. Because for me it was that whatever is given to me, I should do the best of it, and that's it. So up until that time, I wasn't really sure whether this is what I wanted to do for the rest of my life. But yes, after coming into HR, this is what I wanted to do for the rest of my life, and I knew that this is where I want to be. Now, from Citibank, I went into doing a global regional role in RBS, which is the Royal Bank of Scotland. After Royal Bank of Scotland got sold to Faisal Bank, that's the time I thought, why just bank? Why just men with black coats, and why not look at people from in the other side of the world as well, which means the other industries. And lo and behold, I was surprised, because हम जब banking में होते हैं हम समझते हैं that we are the creme de la creme. हमसे बेहतर तो कोई है ही नहीं. And then being part of Citibank and being part of RBS, तो हमारे में एक वो chip आ जाती है. वो chip सारी निकल गई when I went into the industry, and then I worked for the merchandising industry. Then I went and worked for GSK for pharma. I worked in the food industry, and I found that there were just wonderful people everywhere. It is just that the backgrounds that they come from, the training that they get, and how privileged the people in banking were, because there everything was so progressive and designed properly, etc. जो कि दूसरी industries में उस तरीके से था नहीं. So I was able to transform those companies, those local outfits into local corporates. So वो जो state type of companies थी, उनको local corporate में transfer करना, transformation journey पे उनको लेके जाना, that was something which actually excited me, and I kind of grew probably in that part of my career, because that's the part where I thought that whatever I had learned, whatever I was exposed to, I could put that into practice. So this I feel is my biggest achievement, that now I can say कि कहीं भी plug and play हो सकता है. I मुझे कोई भी organization दे दे, I'll build it up. I'll be able to do it. So now that is the confidence that part of the industry gave me. Of course, banking is my baby, and banking is is actually my comfort zone. So when I got this opportunity to come back to banking, I took it. But then this again was a bank which which is a microfinance bank on the way to becoming digital, and having partners like Ant Financials, which is the financial arm of Alibaba, and of course Telenor. So I wanted to get on the bandwagon of that journey कि अब ये एक छोटी microfinance bank कैसे becomes the biggest payment player in Pakistan. So that is what pulled me into Telenor Bank. So that's my journey. During this time, I was also offered um, independent directorship. So I took that. So I'm an independent director at 4G Fertilizer in Qasim and with State Life Pakistan as well. That also gives me a lot of learning. You know, to be on the other side, and look at things very differently, and which gives you which I could now empathize with my board members now. Act finally. All this while we would say that they were giving us a very tough time, and you know, fazul ke sawal pushte hain and all that. Itni, but now I know that when we were on the other side, what it means. So a very so I mean I have been blessed with great bosses, great mentors, people who guided me, and they're all men. So let's understand that there are men who have actually helped women come to this position, and for me they have opened avenues and vistas. And on my part, I would now and I am wanting to open those avenues and those vistas for women who may not have had the the fortune of having had worked with such wonderful mentors and coaches, etc. So this is where I
Fantastic.
am. I don't think I've reached. I think I want to become a better version of myself every single day. So I don't think कि मैंने कोई भी achieve किया है. Every day, if I do something, even if a teeny meeny better, I feel happy. I feel achieved.